Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox and showcase this Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless. Disclosure, this was sent to me by Sennheiser to make this unboxing and to showcase them. So let me show you what we can get here. So this is how the box looks. Pretty awesome. Sennheiser signature sound, customizable sound, adaptive noise cancellation, crystal clear calls, smart pause, and auto on off. Awesome. And also, and I'm gonna do this right away, you can download an app from Google Play and App Store. So made for iPhone, iPad, works with Android, Bluetooth, Qualcomm Apt X, Qualcomm Adapt X adaptive. 2-year warranty. So let's see what we'll have here. We have here in the back more informations. So let me open the box. So let's open this. Oh, it comes with a nice case. Oh, and it's hard. It's really solid, as you can see, and good looking as well. Look, let's open this. Ta-da! So that's what we will get here. The headphones. We have here the charging cable. There you go. USB-A to USB-C with this nice Sennheiser detail logo, as you can see here. And okay, nice. So this is the user manual, and we can download the app from here. Okay, we need to pair these instructions. So I think it's better to charge them for 10 minutes. Then you have here the instructions to pair them as well. Well, you have a full feature here, so you can learn about everything you need to do with this. And it's pretty simple and straightforward. Let me check what else we have. Oh, we have this. So this means that you can use this as a kind of wired headset. And here you have the plug. For instance, if you have those old laptops with two plugs, one for microphone and the other one to headphones, you can put them and then you connect here the headphones. Okay, awesome. Let me see what else we have here. Compliance information. Okay, let me show you. Oh, this is heavy somehow. And look how well built this is. This is nice. You have here the instructions as well. This is soft. Look how this is made. Awesome. And I think I got them Maybe they are trying to pair. But before, I think I'm going to charge them for a while, and then I'm going to get back to try this. So I already downloaded the app. This is how it looks. Okay, and we can go through this. Continue. Allow. So here you can tell them what you're pairing. Okay, looking for device. Hopefully this will be, there you go. Momentum 4, connecting. And I think you can see here these lights flashing, pair, connected. So now let me put them. Okay, get started, continue. Oh, nice. I'm already listening to some music. Next, here is how you can awesome equalizer, nice. So hip hop, rock, movie, and done. So let me just see this. So okay, we have here the connection management, here the battery indicator, 50%, equalizer, and we can adjust here, customize it. We can make a bass boost, we can choose podcast, or we can just bring this preset it, or we can create a new one. Okay. Oop, I messed. Okay. So we have the sound check, sound zones. What is this? The sound zone feature allows you to automatically apply your sound settings when entering or leaving zones. Oh, nice. This means that depending on the place where are you located, this access to your localization, and then it will adjust to this region. And this is useful, for instance, if you go to the beach, it's not important to have, for instance, active transparency. You can go full active noise cancellation, so this will go there. For instance, if you go close to a road where it's important to listen, and with that you need some transparency, this will apply transparency, which is nice. Let me go back, and we have this active noise cancellation and transparency. We can go just slide and from one to another. And side note, a more natural experience of the own voice during phone calls. So that's nice. And you can get. So let me listen to some music to see. Unfortunately, I can't share this with you. So let me play this. Whoa. This is nice. rich sound and a good bass as well. Well, the bass, it's amazing. And the amount of detail you will get in the sound as well. Nice, nice, really nice. And you can listen to different instruments, and it's pretty comfortable. Doesn't make that pressure that usually some headphones they tend to do. Really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try this with my computer, and I'm gonna try. Let me see if I can bring the microphone here. And now you are listening the sound of these headphones. I think they sound nice. Have in mind, I don't I don't usually recommend devices like this one to create content. But for instance, if you use it connected with wire, it could be okay, but it has a pretty nice sound. Have in mind, this is mostly for getting calls and these sort of things, so it has a nice sound. So this was the unboxing and first tryout of this Momentum for headphones by Sennheiser. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.